Hello everyone, it's me Anita here. How I got this job at the Wipro. So I'm working as a senior software developer at a Wipro. Previously, I have also experience with TCS and Accenture. So while doing training at a CSDT IT solution, I landed a job at a TCS. So how CSDT Center helped me? CSDT IT solution is the biggest institute at Patna, which help you to do on placement training and the technical courses like Python, Java, and .NET. Even the data analyst training they are also doing. So this is the best training I have done as a .NET placement training, which helped me gain the significant knowledge and technical skill, which helped me grow as technically, and the communication skill also, which helped me land a job at TCS. So TCS was my first job which I got through the CSDTI solution. So this is the best training institute in Patna. So have explore yourself and be with them. They are very technical and professional, which help you to not just to gain technical skill, all the communication skill and the placement assistant also. So thank you so much everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Amitabh Bedi. I'm currently working as a senior software engineer and team lead in Wipro. I want to take a moment to share my journey and express my heartfelt gratitude to CSDT IT Solution. It was here that my career as a full stack developer truly began. During my final semester at RPSIT Patna, I had the privilege of joining the industrial training program at CSDT IT Solution, where I learned .NET, C Sharp, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all those skills, and gained hands-on experience working with several real-world projects. A special thanks to my mentor Ravi sir, whose guidance and support during the training shaped my skills and gave me the confidence to pursue my dreams. The foundation I built at CSDT IT Solution has been instrumental in my professional growth. Over the past 9 years, I've worked in esteemed organizations like Happiest Minds, Dell, and I'm a part of Wipro now. However, none of this would have been possible without the strong start I got in CSDT IT Solution. This institute didn't just teach me the technical skill needed for the industry, it instilled in me the confidence to face the challenges, to grow continuously. And to all the inspiring developers out there, I can confidently say that CSDT IT Solution is the place to begin your journey. Thank you, Ravi sir, and the entire team of CSDT IT Solution for being the essential part of my story. I'm forever grateful. Thank you and love you, Ravi sir.
Hello, myself Ashutosh Kumar Chaubey. I am a senior software developer with experience of 6 years. I have done MCA from MIT University with a specialization of data science. I am doing job from 2016. Before that, I was doing .NET training at CSDT IT Solution. I recommend CSDT IT Solution to all the IT students because from there I got a good skill and over .NET technology, and I got a good placement and a good salary. So thank you CSDT for giving me such a good training and enhancing my skills.
Hello everyone, I am Sabiha Samannikat. I belong to Patna district. I have graduated from JN2 Hyderabad University of Computer Science Engineering stream with an aggregate of 68%. After my graduation, I have joined various institutions, but they have not provided me any placement regarding the technology. Later, I have got to know about PHP full stack development at CSDT Center.
Hello, hi. My name is Amrinder Kumar. I am from Aurangabad, Bihar. I have done BTech degree from IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University in 2020. In last semester of my BTech degree, there was an industrial training which I have done from CSDT Centre Patna. There I got an exposure of job in corporate sector, as well as they taught me the technology and the skill developed helps me in support in placement, and they taught me to do job, how to do job in corporate sector. They all developed in that industrial training. After that, I joined Silka Technology, Infosys, and currently I am in NBCC, which is a PSU company, working as an assistant manager come software developer. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Adarsh Raj and I am from Patna, Bihar, and I study at CSDT Center for 6 months in Patna, Bihar. I pursued my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, but after realizing the small scope of jobs in this sector, then I decided to transition to the IT field. And this was when I decided to study a CSDT center. They helped me transition my career from mechanical sector to the IT sector, and in the span of 6 months I had acquired all the necessary knowledge to land an IT jobs of a software engineer at the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, like a Parliament of India in New Delhi, for a package of 10 lakhs LPA. And I would like to give my heartiest thanks to CSDT Centre Patna for helping me achieve my dream job. Thank you.